Are you tired of inconsistent tracking? Even with a pro-level computer mouse, even after cleaning your mouse pad, then I have probably the perfect solution for you, and that's this YOGARS tempered glass mouse pad. That's maybe the last mouse pad which you have to buy, because this is built for a lifetime. By the way, it comes also with a lot of accessories, also these silicone pads and a lot more cleaning stuff. And so here we have it, an absolute awesome thing. You can see here on top the micro etching has 4 different layers. The top gliding layer for almost zero resistance, then a high quality tempered glass underneath the precision printing layer, and the shatterproof protection layer at the bottom. Has some comfortable round edges, and it's super easy to use. You can see you can just put it down here, and actually it stays here already without the silicone pads. Absolutely amazing. It's almost impossible to move it. What I really like is also the large size here. Almost impossible to leave it, not even during a fast-paced game. Depending on the type of mouse which you're using, there can be a little bit of friction, which can also produce some noise. If you're in this situation, then you can use the pads which are included in the set to eliminate pretty much every friction. And so for me, it has been a total game changer. I absolutely love it, and I'm sure it would be also a great gift for anybody who is using a lot of mouse input for the computer. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this mouse pad, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.